I'm Kim Ward, certified probate real estate advisor and broker owner of Horizon Real Estate's Probate and Trust Help. Today we are going to be soft staging 4685 Esther Street in San Diego. You'll see a little later in this video, we actually have a unusual spot in the bathroom downstairs. And so we decided the best thing to do, it's a little box that's covering some plumbing stuff. So the best thing we decided to do would be to kind of set it up so that we had some items in a basket, like some towels, just to kind of stage that space a little better and make it feel a little more cohesive. So you'll see that's what Kim's doing right now. Yes, I am. This is all part of what we do. We soft stage our clients' properties to just make them appear more cozy and a little less stark. This house is completely remodeled. Our team helped pick things and we organized the repairs that needed done. Ready to go downstairs. Perfect. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be working on is this kitchen space over here. As Kim said, everything in this property has been renovated, and so we've got a brand new stove here, we got brand new countertops, brand new cabinets, everything in this kitchen has been redone. We are going to set this up and stage it so that, you know, it feels more homey and less empty. So that's what we're going to work on. All right, you'll see now Kim is actually setting up the kitchen sink area. We're just putting a couple of decorative items over there to, you know, just make it feel like home. And we will typically have a stage area, so we're going to use this countertop here. We'll have some basic flyers and some of our cards, and a place for agents to leave their cards whenever they come to show the property. All right, so this room is just kind of a small little half bath. There's not a lot to it. You know, it's just a half bath. So we'll go ahead and set ourselves up right here so you can kind of see what we're working on in here. We're just gonna hang some towels and put in some cute soap dispensers and maybe a decorative item behind the toilet, and that will be what we set up in here. You know, we like to put something green in each one of the bathrooms. It just makes it feel more alive. Good. Half bath done. The next space we're gonna do is the main upstairs bathroom. This is a full bath and it has been completely renovated as well. We have a refinished tub, We actually had a small wall removed. Everything's been touched and repainted, and there's a brand new sink in this bathroom. So you'll see it looks great. Lights. All right. Do you want to do the seashell? I was going to do in here the candles, since this is the biggest area that we have. Yeah. Something like that. I'm going to fix this one. I don't like it. We'll grab the candles. Grab some toilet paper too. Got it. One item that we always make sure is in all of our staging stuff is toilet paper and paper towels. And Windex. And Windex, that's the other item.
We need to do this mirror. I know this is not as
okay. I'm gonna go grab the Windex.
as could be. And we're always ready to do a cleanup as needed.
Just a little bit.
Again, something green in each bathroom.
Go ahead and walk through this space now so you can kind of see just some very basic staging. That's why we call it soft staging, because it is not a full stage, but just a little bit to give some.
I would typically put this in here, but I don't think we need it.
Okay. So as you can see, this home actually has 3 bedrooms upstairs. They were all fully renovated, new paint, lighting fixtures, and carpet. This is the primary, and as you can see, it's got a full closet. There it is. One of the other bedrooms. Again, full closet. This closet looks like it's small, but it's actually pretty deep. And the last bedroom is right behind the staircase. Walk over here so you can see. That's the beautiful green backyard.
Just to clarify, oftentimes when we do soft staging, we will add curtains to windows, but in this particular home, we just felt like the windows just popped on their own, especially with all this decorative feature. It looked beautiful, and so we decided, us and our client decided that it just didn't need curtains. So we're leaving it as is, and so we won't be staging anything in the bedrooms. They look great as they are. They don't need any staging done to them. All right, let's go downstairs. And then this is the main living space downstairs.
Yeah, that's a mini split. Brand new.
Brand new mini split.
So this bathroom was quite the challenge. And we have some before pictures. The door used to swing in, which made the bathroom feel super small. So our recommendation was to have it swing out. So that got changed. Then, all of this tile in here, including the floor, has been refinished. So it appears clean, light, and bright. So this had minimal repairs done to it. Of course, this was painted, and a new light was put in, and now it's super cute.
Bathroom box we were talking about. It's covering up some plumbing. It's kind of an unusual space. This bathroom has made some major improvements. It was a deep dark blue inside the shower, and we had a company come and spray the shower and the tiles, including these floor tiles, which I think came out great. So now I'll show you kind of what we're gonna do in there. We'll show you in just a minute. One of the other things that we had to do in this space is there isn't actually a spot for a shower curtain. We decided we would put a shower rod and then we'll just have a curtain kind of draped across to the side. Super cute. And some nice towels. Almost done.
Oh, and you know what? When I went upstairs, there's something green for the bathroom.
Last one.
All right, and as you can see, just a little bit of staging. And here's that shower space. We're just gonna take this shower curtain and push it over. Here we go. Beautiful.
And our green. Okay, that was great. And wipe up this steps.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And we'll go ahead and put a few before-after photos for the renovations, just as a little bonus for those of you that stuck around till the end. Have a good day.
Thanks for watching.